Hello, how are you doing? So in this video you're going to learn on how to create a website using WordPress and Elementor. So if you're a beginner or you're just jumping into the website design world, then this video is for you. And if you are even a pro in this field, you can still learn one or two things in this. So before we dive in, this is Masha Creatives. Ensure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and let's jump in. So immediately the first thing, let me just open my browser over here. So the first thing, you need a domain and hosting, which for me, I get my domain and hosting from hostkenya.co.ke. You can check them out. So what you're supposed to do, just go to your browser, search for hostkenya.co.ke, go to where just check here on the header, there is where it says WordPress hosting. Select on that. And I just check one of these packages, the one that is going to work for you, and based on your budget and also based on the type of website that you're going to build. If you're a beginner, you can start here just to understand, because 10 GB is enough storage to start you off for a beginner website. So just click get started, and it's going to load and take you over here. So once you're here, just input in your domain name. So for me, I'm just going to say tutorial test .co.ke. Here you're going to choose your extension, visa.com, .co.ke, whichever you're going to use. .africa, they are over here, .xyz. So I'm going to check, so it has to check and see if that domain is available or to raise and use. So you can see this is available, and it's going for 1,000 bob, as you can see over here. So once that is done, just click on continue. And once you are here, just so this will be your hosting and this is your domain. So that's why now you have 899 bob for the hosting and 1,000 bob for your domain. Then you should just click checkout. And once you are here, now you need to fill in your details. So to make this easier, just sign in with Google, or you can just fill in the data if you don't mind. So for me, I already have an account here, so I'll just say sign in with Google. And it's going to populate my data and fill in all of that. So as you can see, this is my account. That's already. So over here, you're going to choose if you're going to leap an M-Pesa or credit card, or you're going to use PayPal. So whichever you're going to use, these two methods work very well. So for me, I'm in Kenya, I'm going to use PayPal. But if you're even in Kenya, you can still you can pay with PayPal. So leap an M-Pesa, say complete order. So for me, I'm not going to finish up on this transaction because I already have, I'm going to build this on a subdomain. I'm just trying to show you how to buy your hosting and domain name, so that now we will be on the same page when I jump onto my cPanel. So as you can see, that's going to load. So just give it some time to load. Sometimes at the propagation and the webhook take time to confirm the invoices and all of that. So here it is. This is your invoice that you are supposed to pay. So you're just supposed to say pay now. So once you click on that, you're going to get a pop-up where now you're going to input your M-Pesa phone number, or you're going to input your credit card details. So over here, as you can see, if you want to pay with the Pesa link, you can use that. For us, we're going to use M-Pesa. So here, just input your phone number, ensure it starts with 2547 and with the rest of your number. Just don't start with 07, start with 254. Then click on pay. If you click on pay, you're going to get a pop-up on your phone, and put your password, and you should be able to make that payment. So right now, I think there's an issue with card payment. So it's going to be sorted by our partners here, who is Intercent and Cooperative Bank. They're going to sort that. So maybe when you'll be watching this video, that service will be on, then you should be able to pay with credit card. Else, just to use M-Pesa or just to use PayPal. So once you do that transaction, you're going to get an email on your Gmail, the Gmail you used to sign up over here back where you said sign in with Google. So you're going to get an email. The email will have your cPanel logins. It will have a link and it will have the username and password. So basically what you need to do is you need to log into your cPanel. So basically you just click on the link that you'll get on the email. Let me just check if I have a sample of that link. And okay, it won't be, it will show my password, so I won't do that for now. But as you can see, I was already getting emails from Host Kenya. As you can see, the first email I got was confirming that this is an invoice, that I'm buying this WP starter and I'm also buying this, so I'm supposed to make the payment. So if I go back here, this was order confirmation. The order has been confirmed. Total due today that I'm supposed to pay is this amount. So once I pay, I will get a confirmation that the payment has gone through. And once the payment has gone through, I'll also get another email of now my login details, which has the cPanel details and all of that. Okay, so once you are done with that and you have your logins over here, just click on the link on that email. It should take you to a login page that looks like this. Let me just log out here, so that I'm going to show you. Yeah, you should be redirected to a page that looks like this: cPanel, the username and password. So over here, just input the username that is on your email and the password and click login. So once you're logged in, now this is what we call the cPanel. The cPanel is where you manage your emails, you manage your websites, you manage your file manager and all of that. So this is where your files are going to be stored, and that is the reason why we are buying the hosting. The hosting is so that we can have a place to store our website files, if that the images and all of that. Okay, so basically we have our cPanel over here. And okay, for instance, you're a beginner. I should have said this earlier, and you do not have maybe enough cash to purchase the domain and hosting. You just want to learn first before you can purchase. There's a way you can run WordPress locally. Just check on the playlist. Just check on our YouTube playlist. Let me just do that real quick. I should have said this earlier, but yeah, there's a way you can run WordPress locally without having to buy the domain and hosting. So you'll have to go and check on that playlist, watch it to understand how to do it. So this is the tutorial here, WordPress crash course. It has a way on how you can run your WordPress locally. So let's just check. As you can see, the first video here says run WordPress offline with local WP. So you can go watch on that video. Then once you install your WordPress locally, then now we can proceed. Okay, that's nice. So let's go back to our cPanel. I'll just close these tabs here because we are done with them. So this is my cPanel. So the first thing, what do we need? We are running a WordPress website, so we need to install WordPress. What is WordPress? WordPress is a CMS. It's a content management system where now we're going to build our website. So once you're logged in here, just find where it says WordPress Manager. It should be on your left panel over here, or if you go down here, you should go to where it says the WordPress Management. Go the way down to where it says Softwares. Then there is WordPress Manager by Softaculous over here. So you can click on this or click the one on the left here. Any of those should work. Okay, so for me, I have several domains here, and I have several subdomains also running different websites. So basically, since I'm going to use now a subdomain for this one, because now I did not complete the checkout. So for me to use that domain that we were trying to purchase, that was just to showcase you how to do stuff. So basically here we're going to, the process is the same. Just click on install. So for you'll have to install your WordPress on the main domain. As you can see here, for me, I have how many domains? I have several. So I'm going to go to this mashacreatives.co.ke. Then for you want to do anything here, you'll install. For me, I can't install here because I already have a WordPress website running on this domain. So what I'll do a subdomain. Okay, so I'm going to input this inside another folder. Okay, so that is what they call the directory over here. So I'm going to put here this subfolder. I'm going to call it Ethel, because the website we are building for is for it's called Ethel Apparel. So I'll just do Ethel now. Then over here you're going to input your website name. So let's just input that. You can still do this later after you log into your WordPress dashboard, but you can still do it here. There's nothing wrong. So I'll just input in here. I'm putting a small description and the site name and the description here. So these are plugins that you get by default when you install WordPress, but it's not necessary for me. I usually remove them because basically I will install them, or I only install the necessary plugins that I need. So for this one I'll remove it. Then here I'm going to have my username. So that will be my username. Then I'm going to input my password here. So for me, I usually generate the passwords because I don't like using simple passwords because it's a WordPress website, so it's easy for hackers to hack such websites. So it is always good to have a very complex website, a very complex password. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. So ensure to save your password and your username and password somewhere else. Okay, since you have access to your cPanel, you can retrieve that, but in case you don't have access, that will be difficult to log into your WordPress. So it's good to save these somewhere. So for me, I usually paste them somewhere, and that's what I'm going to do right now, so that when we are logging in, we don't struggle with our logins basically. So I have my username, I have my password over here, and scroll all the way down and click install. So that's all. It's just going to load, it's going to install the WordPress, and voila. So there we are. So already we have two links here. One takes you to the front end of the website, and the second one takes you to the back end, where is now our WordPress dashboard. So let's check the front end. So as you can see, our website is already on, it's already running, as you can see, with some dummy data here. So let's go to the backend. The backend is where now we build our website. Okay, so I'll just right click, open this on a new tab. So this is the dashboard. So the reason as to why it's taking me directly without having to log in is simply because I'm already accessing it through cPanel. So since I'm accessing it through cPanel, it automatically validates that I own the website. Okay, so this is our backend, and this is where we are going to do all the magic until we have a full running website. So the first thing, when I'm here, I usually clear my dashboard. So just click on top here where it says screen options and uncheck almost everything, so that your dashboard is clean, and now you can start building your own thing. So this is part 1 of this video on how to buy the domain, how to buy your hosting, how to install WordPress into your cPanel, and let's meet on the next one where we begin building our website. That will be part 2. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and let's meet on the next one. Peace out.